Hi guys, in this video I'm going to explain a way to specify the order of the parameters you use to localize a string. So we want to avoid this, especially this part in the if-else statement. Let's try to remove it, and because we want to keep the localization logic in the view to the bare minimum. Our goal is to make the view unaware of the user language preference. Let's say we have a sentence, manager Tom has called Anna to come to the office, and this is how you would say it in the United States. The counterpart of the sentence is in the United Kingdom is Anna got a call from manager Tom to come to the office. On this simple example, we can easily recognize the need to specify the parameter order based on the language that is being used by the app. I will set up a new project with two supported languages in order to demonstrate this. First, we're going to add a localization language. Let's head to the project and under info, we can see that English is already added. And let's say we want to add the United Kingdom English. The next steps are to add two string files for two languages we support in the app. On the top is the string file for United States. Let's add the key value pair, in byte ordered, and the sentence manager something had called someone to come to the office. And let's say that this sentence is said differently in the United Kingdom. For example, a person got a call from manager something to come to the office. So the sentence hasn't changed the meaning, but the order of parameters did. What is usually done is the following. Manager is, for example, Tom. HR is Anna. And you would already have a localization helper method. Let's just add a quick helper here. Now we can call this method using the manager and HR properties. Let's give it a shot and see how it looks like. Now we get a sentence, manager Tom had called Anna to come to the office. What happens when we change the language? Let's select United Kingdom. Now we get the sentence, Tom got a call from manager Anna to come to the office. We can clearly see that the meaning of the sentence has changed and that we need to manipulate the order of the parameters to keep the meaning the same across different languages. What is usually done is to check the identifier on localized to determine what language is in use and adapt your localization code to accommodate the additional language logic. This works. We have a United Kingdom version of this sentence on the screen. And if we go back and change the language to the United States, we get the correct meaning of the sentence. We can see that this works, but you have to agree that this is far from optimal. Localization logic should be kept away from the view or your view model. Decision what parameter is to be used in what order should be made in each individual language file. You can easily specify the order of the parameters by a number followed by a $sign. Let's do that. We add number 1 and a $sign to the first parameter, and number 2 followed by a $sign to the second parameter, and all this to the US version of the file. Now we do the similar to the UK version below. but we make use of the second parameter first to keep the logic of the sentence the same. And now we are free to remove all this ugly if-else branching from the view and keep the localization logic to its bare minimum. Let's give it a shot. We get the US version of the sentence. Manager Tom had called Anna to come to the office. Now we switch to the United Kingdom, which is easy to do in the scheme settings under Run. And we get the correct meaning of the sentence also in the UK version. Anna got a call from Manager Tom to come to the office. This is a pretty neat solution. It is easy to see how helpful and simple it is to specify the parameter order for each individual language and keep their differences limited only to their own files. So, since you're already stick enough to get to this point, consider moving your mouse to the like button and tapping it. Thank you, and see you soon.